Hello students, my name is Vinita Srivastav. I hope you all are well and fine at home. Children, I welcome you in our English literature class. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 5. Children, this is your English literature book, Roots and Wings. Today we will study lesson number 5, Good Habits and Good Manners. Come on, page number 62. Children, on this page, few pictures are given in a circle. You have to observe these pictures. And the picture which shows good habit, you have to put a tick on it, and the picture which shows bad habit, bad manners, you have to cross on it. After that, you turn the page and come on page number 63. This is the story in conversation form, conversation among teacher and students. See children. Place, a classroom. Time, one morning. Characters, teacher Rajni Sharma, students Tarun, Aryaman and Tia. A classroom scene. Mrs. Rajni Sharma, the class teacher, enters the class and the students stand up to wish her. Children, good morning ma'am. Teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sharma, she replies, good morning children, please sit down. Tarun, class monitor, he is complaining to the teacher that ma'am, our classroom is very dirty today. No one has cleaned it. There is dust on the tables and the chairs too. Here we can see that the teacher enters in the class and the monitor complains to her that the classroom is very dirty. No cleaner has come to clean the classroom. There is lot of dust on tables and chairs. Children, turn the page on 64. Teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sharma, she is saying, children, who cleans your house when the helper there does not come? Tarun is saying, my father and mother clean the house, but I also help. All children reply, yes ma'am, we help our parents. And the teacher is saying, today the cleaner has not come, so let us clean the classroom. Tarun is saying, my parents talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They say that we should keep our houses, schools and other places clean. And the teacher is saying, that is a good idea. We will also follow Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Tia is saying, let us keep the classroom clean all day long. And the teacher is saying, yes, on every Friday you all can clean the classroom on your own. All the children are agree. They are saying, yes ma'am. Here we can see that when the monitor complained that the classroom is very dirty, no one has cleaned the classroom. On it the teacher suggests them, first she asks them that who cleans your house when the servant does not come to your house? On it the monitor is saying, my parents and me also clean our house together. On it, all the children replies, yes ma'am, we also help our parents to clean the house. So the teacher is saying, in same way, if the cleaner has not come today, we all can clean our classroom together. So let us start to clean the classroom. On it, monitor is saying that his parents also talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They teach their children to keep our surroundings clean. And the teacher is also agree with him. She is saying that is good idea. We should also follow Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So all the students and teacher, they together clean the house. And that day when the cleaner has not come to the school, so they all together clean the classroom. Children, turn the page. Aryaman, the student of the same class, he is saying, let us work together. Tia is picking pieces of paper. Tarun is saying, I am cleaning the tables with a cloth. Aryaman is saying, but some children are throwing pieces of paper. That is bad. On it, the teacher is saying, that is not right. Don't throw anything in the classroom or at any place. Use the dustbins to throw rubbish. Tia is saying, we have a dustbin here. The teacher is saying, yes, sometimes you do not leave the toilet clean after use. It is bad manner to leave the toilet dirty after use. You should keep it clean. Here the teacher is teaching them that the students and the children should not leave the toilet dirty after use. She is teaching them that we always develop good manners and good habits and the habit of cleanliness in ourselves. They should keep the toilet clean after use. On it, Tarun is saying, yes ma'am, we all must learn good habits. Rajni Sharma, the teacher, she is saying, remember this children, I can see that you all are doing good work. The classroom looks very clean now. I am happy that there are such good children in the class. Let us clap for each other. All the students clap and smile. Means here, after teacher's suggestion, the students, they clean the classroom together. Tarun cleans the tables and chairs with the cloth. Tia is picking pieces of papers. Means they all together clean the classroom. And the teacher suggests them that they should keep the toilet also clean after use. And the students, they agree and they promise to the teacher that we will learn good habits and good manners. Children, we also learn the lesson that we should develop good habits and good manners in ourselves. We also follow these things in our daily life. Children, that's all for this video. In next video, I will make you complete book exercise. Thank you.